Hi everyone, my name is Amodu Okashibe. This is my feedback video for 12th Batch MMM Guardian School in July 2016. MMM community, I'm richly blessed and I'm really honored to be part of this global community to undergo this training program at this time of the troubling world economy. MMM is a financial donation among the members for them to overcome the world modern slavery. So I want to thank the MMM Guardian School for making this platform for like-minded people to come together to learn and propagate the ideology of MMM on the ground, in order to help and spread the news of ideology to the people in the world, in order for them to have a financial freedom. In the Guardian School, we will also learn the ideology of MMM, the rule of MMM, and how to use the social media to spread the gospel and the ideology of MMM for the people. Financial freedom is certain in MMM. People are living happily. The participants are living happily among themselves. And in the Guardian School, we're able to learn how to spread the gospel to churches, to churches, to extend the family, the MMM ideology to the family, to the people in our community, in our village, and in our society. I also learn what we call leadership. Leadership encompasses so many things. To succeed in MMM, we must have to employ the knowledge we have acquired from the Guardian School to propagate the ideology of MMM. In leadership, we have what? Vision. The vision of Sergei Mavrodi must continue. The teamwork, management, contribution, decision, ethics, support, motivation, responsibility, mentorship, influence, and communication. Once you join all these ideas together, MMM will have a new leaf of life. From there, millions of people will join the community. In the Guardian School, we will also learn how to make use of the teamwork. T stands for together, E stands for everyone, A stands for achievement. In MMM, achievement is possible. And M stands for moving. The MMM ideology must move from one stage to another. The ideology cannot stop. And it's we that in the society that will join hands with the vision and mission and core value of Mr. Sergei Mavrodi to propagate the ideology of MMM on a daily basis. And I want to thank the participant, and also thank the moderator for his intelligent, honesty, creative, confident, driven courage, and the knowledge he has imparted into our life to go out and preach the ideology of MMM. And I want to thank the founder of MMM, Mr. Sergei Mavrodi, for bringing this wonderful, powerful institution into the world in order to stop the global robbery on just financial system among the members of MMM family. I really credit this ideology behind it, and that is a financial freedom. Once you have a financial freedom, you'll be able to live a longer period on earth, and you'll be able to live a sweet life, and you'll be able to live a healthy life. All these things are possible throughout the methodology that the Mr. Sergei Mavrodi have brought into the world. We thank God that we have MMM in place, and we thank God for the instructor. We thank everyone that make this Guardian School a huge success. In MMM, people helping people to succeed. That is our slogan. Thank you, everyone. Let's go out into the community and preach the ideology of MMM to the new member for them to come and join the MMM family. Together, we can change the world for better. Thank you so much.